Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to be reviewing a product that has been going around YouTube for a little bit. I personally don't think that this gel is new. Like, I don't think it just came out, but I think that it started becoming like really popular on YouTube with the natural hair community. So we are going to review this gel here. And it is the Wetline Extreme Gel. I have been seeing videos all on YouTube about this gel. We are gonna put it to the test today. So I am gonna try to do a wash and go. I don't really do wash and goes that often. Just haven't found like the right products to keep my hair like moisturized. If I do a wash and go, I do the Eco Styler gel. We're just gonna put this gel to the test. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm a little nervous. You don't know how many gels I have tried and they all just fail me, but we're gonna be positive and we are gonna give this gel a good try. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Here we go. Finish with my hair. I just finished. If you guys already know, I have type 4 hair, so as you can see, I did this side about maybe 20 minutes ago and it's already shrinking up. My hair shrinks to about half of its size. I will come back to you guys with the final look after my hair dries, and I will probably stretch it just because I like my hair to look longer in its wash and go state. So I will come back to you guys with the final look. Guys, this gel was terrible. It was so bad. Like, look at my hair. Like, I did stretch it overnight because my hair was not dry. My hair takes forever to dry, but like, as you guys can see, like, look at it. It's just stuck together. It doesn't look moisturized. The curls look, you know, semi-okay, but this is even worse than my hair looks when I'm using Eco Styler gel. So that Wetline Extreme Gel is going to be a no for me, okay? Good thing I only spent like $3 on it, but sis, it was terrible. Do not waste your time. You can try it if you want. I'm not going to say don't try it, but just know I warned you. So that is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you try it if you feel like it may work for you. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Do not leave without subscribing. And if you like the video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.